We are starting with urban revolution. In the last class, we talked about. Yes, Adir. Can you hear me? Yes, Adir. Can you hear me? We talked.
Yes, sir, we can.
So we talked about urban revolution. We talked about
It's
Lewis
making-
Mumford scheme. Yes, Adir. What you're saying?
Sir, maybe he has network problem.
Most of the people can hear me, I think. Yes?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, thank you. So, we talked about Lewis Mumford in the last class. We talked about Eotechnic, Paleotechnic cities. Okay. There was an alternative scheme given by Lewis Mumford. He talked about cultural revolution in that scheme, diversification of economy in that scheme. Yes, he said that the city progressed by, it was Eopolis. According to Lewis Mumford, it was first, this is an alternative scheme of city growth. Eopolis is only an overgrown village. And yes. Am I audible? Overgrown
Yes,
village.
sir, you are.
Yes. You can hear me. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. And you can see the board. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I suppose that you see the board. Yes. Eopolis is overgrown village. Overgrown village with? Yes. Overgrown village is? Yes. One of the prerequisite of urban systems? Yes. Overgrown village with? Yes. Overgrown village with? Is anyone? Overgrown village with diversification of, there is some diversification of economy is, these are the stages of city growth. How the village is transforming into urban system. It's transforming into town. Eopolis is an overgrown village with some diversification of economy. Means, here what we mean by diversification of economy is, yes, Varisha.
Other than
Yes, Atik.
secondary, primary.
Yes,
Other than
diversification
primary
of
sector.
economy means shifting of people, a shifting of economy from predominantly primary economy to secondary economic activity, tertiary economic activity, quaternary activities other than primary. So it was Eopolis. Eopolis was an overgrown village with some diversification of economy. Then it converted into, with this process, it converted into polis. What happened in polis? Polis was distinct by or characterized by polis, P-O-L-I-S. It was characterized by separation of market sector and residential sector. So what happened? A specialized market developed. In the overgrown village, it was not a specialized place distinct place for market. Here we are talking about physical market. Market is a place where buyers and seller means an aggregation of some shops. Market sector and residential sector. Now market sector and residential sector started to separate. There was a distinct market system and there was a distinct residential sector. Okay. So it was polis. A distinction of residential and market sector was developed. So Eopolis to polis. Polis is, you can say it is a synonym of town, urban or city. Polis is town, city. And then, according to this scheme, metropolis emerged. Here we are not defining, he was not defining metropolis on the basis of population, 10 lakh. 10 lakh was a very big population these days. It was hardly 1 lakh or so. It was not the number. It was a big city. Big city. Complete distinction of different sectors. Residential, market, industrial, manufacturing, the complete distinction of different sectors. Big city and further diversification of economy. Then it grown into megalopolis. What does it mean by megalopolis? Yes. What we mean by megalopolis here? Yes, megalopolis is a city of cities, a bigger city, the size of many metropolises, bigger city. Then in megalopolis what happens? Yes, in megalopolis what happened? What happens in megalopolis? What is the distinctive feature, a characteristic feature of megalopolis? Yes, what is the characteristic feature of megalopolis? Yes, in megalopolis what happened? Yes, Atif.
A set amount of population.
What of population? Yes, Atif. What of population you said? Yes. I cannot hear
5
you.
million population.
Yes? Yes, Satish, I cannot hear you. Can you send it in text? What a big city is characterized by? These days also. What a big city is characterized by? Yes. Mumford is talking about all times, not only ancient times. Mind it. Yes, Prashant. What a big city is characterized by? Yes, it becomes an economic hub and
so more connections are there.
more connections are there. Yes, and yes. Yes, Nawaz. Political, yes, Prashant is saying that political power center. It becomes a political power center. But I am not getting the answer I am searching for. Yes, Shanur. Yes. What it uses? Yes, Shanur. Yes, I think Shanur got disconnected or something. Okay, so in big city, in megalopolis and metropolis also, overuse of technology, modern technology, technological invention, overuse of technology is there, and because of this overuse of technology, what happens? Megalopolis is transformed into Tyrannopolis. It becomes a Tyrannopolis. Most of our big cities are threatened to go into this state, this stage. Yes. Have you heard about that term tyranno somewhere else? Yes. Have you heard about tyranno somewhere else? Have you heard tyranno somewhere else? Anywhere? tyranno word कहीं और सुना है आपने? Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Where, Varisha?
Sir, maybe it is considered as something very big or
Very, very big. Unmanageable. Yes. Huge. Where you have heard this term?
Sir, I have heard this term in something related to dinosaurs.
Yes. Yes, exactly. That I was coming to. It is Tyrannosaurus. It is a very, very big dinosaur. So Tyranno word is used in that term, in that context. So big city is becoming very huge, unmanageable. Tyrannopolis is almost unmanageable. Overuse of technology gets the city expanding and expanding. It expands so much that it becomes very huge. Tyrannosaurus sometimes finds difficult to carry his own weight. So Tyrannopolis cities has become, after Megalopolis, it will become Tyrannopolis. And then what will happen? What stage will come? Yes. What stage will come? Yes. What stage will come?
Social dependent.
Social, and yes, what stage will come? What stage will come naturally? Yes.
Social dependence.
Social dependence, yes. And anyone else? Yes, Sajid, what will happen when the city becomes unmanageable and very huge, difficult to manage, difficult to administer? What will happen? Yes.
Exponential increase in urban sprawl.
Yes, exponential. But what will be the result? What will be the impact? Yes. What will be the impact? I'm talking about
Ruled
impact.
by single people.
Yes, Shanur?
Ruled by single people.
Single?
Man.
Oh, yes, maybe dictatorship will set in. But I'm not talking about political system. I'm trying to come. Please focus on the size of the city. We are talking about the size here and stage. Yes. जब कोई चीज़ अनमैनेजेबल हो जाती है और बहुत ह्यूज हो जाती है, मैनेजेबल नहीं हो रह पाती, then what happens? Yes, Ashraf.
Right?
Yes, Varisha.
development retards.
Yeah, development retards, Atif. You are very right. Yes, Varisha, what you were saying?
Sir, it breaks.
It breaks. Prashant Kumar, it will divide it into two parts. He's saying that it will divide it into two parts, but it is not an easy process. Yes, it breaks, and I will prefer the another term. It will start dying. It will have blights. Some part of it will start dying because logistic will support proper supply of electricity, proper road connections will not be there. We will not be able to manage. Then it will start dying, and that city state is called necropolis. What a necrosis sets in, what happens? Yes. In human body or in a living body, you can see here some lesions and some spots started to develop, and these are dying spots. So the necrosis will start like that. That necrosis will start like that. These blights, these dead spots will develop. These and this necrosis will be. What will happen to this necrosis? Yes. What will happen to this necrosis?
Due to war, famine,
War, famine, and unmanageability. Because of its sheer size, because of its unmanageable size, what will happen? It will start dying. This necrosis will, if we don't reorganize the city, if we don't do overwhelming reforms, or we don't reorganize city, the city will start dying, and it will break apart. Yes, as Varisha said, it will break apart. So what happens in this alternative scheme of Mumford? Yes, can you list? Yes, can you list? Can anyone list stages? What are the main stages? Yes, what are the main stages? Yes, it was a polis. Polis was, let's sum it up. Polis was an overgrown village. Then it developed into Eopolis. In Eopolis, separation of market and residential and manufacturing sector sets in, and then it is a synonym of today's city, then today's most of the cities, and then it develops into, it grows bigger and bigger, it develops into a metropolis. Metropolis here is not a million city. In this scheme, metropolis means a big city of that in ancient times. It's a big city. We are not talking about numbers here. And then this metropolis develops into a megalopolis. Yes, and then yes, then
Tranopolis.
yes, it
Tranopolis.
develops into Terranopolis. Overuse of technology and other modern invention is there, and then the city's size becomes so huge that it starts developing blights, and then the last stage of the city comes necropolis, and then the cycle starts